Communication is always vital when competing in tournaments. Winning a match requires perfect coordination. You cannot win by yourself.
Raid call. Communication for winners.
In League of Legends, turrets are being modified in the 3.5 patch. On today's episode of LoL Math, we'll be taking a look at exactly what those changes are and how they can affect the game. Let's take a look at the changes now. The first turret shot against a champion will now have its damage multiplied by 1.05 instead of 0.945 previously. At the beginning of the game, turrets will now deal 15.96, 20.69, 22.05, and 12.08 more damage to a champion, not taking armor into account. They will deal 4.2 more damage every minute to champions as opposed to 3.78 more damage previously. The turret shots will now have their damage increased by the amount of previous shots to the target multiplied by 0.25 as opposed to 0.2 previously. This will cause each subsequent turret shot to have their damage increased by 7.6, 9.85, 10.5, and 5.75 after the patch, depending on the tower's position. This value will be increased by 1 each minute, as opposed to 0.8 previously. A turret's maximum damage multiplier is now 2.25, as opposed to 2.1 previously. Siege minions and super minions will now have turret damage multiplied by 0.7, as opposed to 0.5 previously. Siege minions will also have their damage dealt to turrets multiplied by 1.5, as opposed to 2 previously. Overall, turrets have become a bit stronger against champions, siege minions, and super minions. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you'd like to be informed whenever I release new videos. Click the annotation on the screen if you'd like to see the previous LoL Math episode. You can also like LoL Math on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, and join the community on Reddit. Thanks for watching this episode of LoL Math.